Hey everybody, I hope you had a great week. Happy Sunday again. So as you know, it is time for your weekly spellings. So this week, we are going to take a look at some prefixes. And if you can remember, you've studied prefixes before. A prefix is a group of letters that's put before the beginning of the stem or the root of a word, and it changes its meaning. So for example, the root of the word happy, when you add the prefix un, it changes the meaning to unhappy. He looks unhappy. Another example, Maya's sister is disorganized. The root of the word is organized and the prefix is dis. Some other examples of prefixes which have negative meanings are anti, dis, un, ill, and de. On the right, you'll see some examples of the prefixes added on to some words and how it changes the meaning completely. It usually makes it the opposite. The two prefixes that we're going to study this week in our spellings or focus on are anti, which means against or the opposite of, and mis, which means wrongly or incorrect. Can you think of any words that begin with anti or mis? Good. Let's see if any of your suggestions come up in the spellings this week. Here's some examples of spellings used in sample sentences. The shopkeeper miscalculated the customer's change and gave her an extra 10 dirhams. I wonder, has that ever happened to you? And do you tell the shopkeeper or do you keep it for yourself? A misfortune caused Bill to miss his own birthday party. Fake news misinforms and confuses all its readers. When we're going through these sentences, guys, I want you to be thinking about synonyms or what the word means. So don't panic, just try and guess from the context. I bet you can do a good job. Number 4, because the tourists didn't understand English very well, they sometimes misinterpreted what locals were saying. Number 5, the doctor misjudged how badly injured the patient was, and she passed away a few days later. 6, my cousin always mismanages his pocket money and wastes it on silly things. 7, I told him we'd meet him here, but perhaps he misunderstood and went straight to the mall. 8, drug companies are always trying to develop new antibiotics. 9, the school nurse gently dabbed antiseptic on Judy's cut knee. 10, the teenagers realized that they were in a haunted house when they spotted the clock whirling anti-clockwise. On the next slide, you will find spellings and their meanings. As usual, this PowerPoint will be uploaded to Digital Campus, so you'll be able to find it there for revision and for further exercises. I hope you guys have a lovely week. Take care.